All right, we've got the XTech Tactical grip storage kit. This will work with both the Tango Down and the US Palm grips. The only thing it won't work with is the Tango Down grips that already have the polymer storage compartment in the bottom. So all you're going to do is remove the contents of your bag. What I recommend doing first before we involve glue is just taking your sleeve here. The small part's going to go towards the front. There is an arrow on the other side. And you're just going to press fit that in. And then you'll see there's an arrow that's designed to go towards the muzzle, and that's going to face forward. And then to test your storage out, you're just going to take a key or a coin, and now your grip is secure. So from here, that just makes sure your orientation's correct before you mess with any glue. I'm just going to pop this back out again, and I'm just going to put a very little bit of glue. You can see some writing on the side, on each side there, just kind of in that writing area. More glue than intended just came out there. I'm going to do that on both sides. And then I'll grab my sleeve and just press it in there as far as it will go. It's designed to sit just a little bit subflush from the bottom of the grip. And then arrow facing forward. Put my door back on. Turn it. You're installed. Again, it will fit any US Palm or Tango Down grip.